Welcome back to my channel, this is K from Solo Record. Today I'm going to unbox Xiaomi Watch S1 Active. You can see some feature explanation on the side of the box. Dual frequency GPS, oxygen saturation monitoring, 5 atmosphere water resistant. There are some explanation on the back side. Call making via Bluetooth, 100 plus exercise mode, and Amoled Display. Now it is time to open the box. This is the Xiaomi Watch S1 Active. That's all inside the box. Instruction manual and a warranty card. Magnetic charge using the pogo pin. This is the Xiaomi Watch S1 Active. It came with the 3 different colors. This color called the space black. The other two is a moon white and the ocean blue. After you turn it on, you need to choose your own language. You can scan the QR code to get the mobile application. After that, you can pairing the Xiaomi Watch S1 Active. This is the main watch display. A lot of sport you can choose in the sport feature. The smartwatch cost me $199 US. It is easy to remove the strap and change to another strap. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe.